a chance to get out of the turn down there. Sharp right-hand turn coming up down there on the corner.
See if you can catch some
It's kind of busy out here this time of year with the salmon fishermen. Early morning is super busy, middle of the part of the day.
Yeah, I know.
Most of them already started to take off the river. You're out here on an early morning trip. It's not uncommon to see sometimes upwards of 40 to 50 boats scattered out between Grants Pass down.